Independence Day. Okay, and as the Independence Day is tomorrow, so let's make a drawing for the Independence Day. So it's a very special day for us because it was really difficult to get the independence, and so many people has fought for it, and they have lost their life too in the fight of independence. Okay, so just take a pencil. So we will make a, so keep your paper horizontal like this, and make a line for the ground. So in the center we will be making, I'm just leaving some space here, and I'll make the stairs like this for the flag. So just make the stairs for the flag like this. Okay, so I just made the stairs, so you can make use of the scale as well. So just make use of the scale and make the ground line like this, and just like this. Okay, so after this I'm just going to make a small mountain and a big mountain. Okay, like this. So here another mountain is going up like this. Okay, because the soldiers are working on the border. Okay, in the mountains. So it can be mountains or it can be desert, anything. Okay, so now I'll make a flag with the help of the scale. Just make a very straight line till the top. And just make a round here. My voice is coming very low. Okay, I will speak loudly further. Okay, so I hope everybody can listen. It's fine now. Okay, so from here I'll make a flag a little wavy. So similarly, it will go down and then it will come up, and then I'll just, it went little high. So just a minute. So because there is a lot of wind, so the flag is flowing freely. Okay. So this is how we have to draw the flag. And now we'll just make partition in the flag like this for the tricolor. Our flag is a tricolor flag. So I'm making the Ashok Chakra in the center of the flag, which is round, and just make the chakra like this. So I'll just make it a little more round. Okay. So this is done. So now I'll make the aeroplane here like this. So you can make one aeroplane or multiple aeroplane, that is your choice. So I'm just making 3 aeroplanes. So one is in the front and there is one more which is little down, so like this. Okay, and then this is the aeroplane. So I made 3 aeroplane, and now I'm going to make the soldier, and then we will move on to the coloring. Okay. So the legs of the soldier is here and the soldier is standing here. So I'll start with the face. So this is the face of the soldier, and he is wearing a hat which protects his head from the tough conditions. Okay, so then I'll make this is the hand, and he is just saluting the flag. So this is the body, and here also similarly. So this is the waistline. So it's like a square. This is the waistline. From here the another shoulder starts and it goes down like this, and from here it will come like this. Okay, so now I'm making the hand. This is the hand, and this is the thumb, like this. Okay, so I hope everybody has understood. Ma'am, can you show the soldier how to draw again? Okay, no, so you have not understood. Okay, so I'll show again. Chakra has what? 25 lines. So you can draw 25 lines. Okay. Can you wait a second, please? Yes, once my drawing is complete, I will wait. Okay, so I am telling you once again how to draw the soldier. Okay, so I'll show you again how to draw the soldier. So this is the paper, and this is the face, and this is the cap he is wearing on his head. Okay, to protect his head from the bullets. And now this is the soldier, shoulder of the soldier. So right shoulder, and this is the sleeves, and the hand is like this. So from here the body starts. So similarly from here the body starts. So it's like a rectangle and the belt. Okay. So from here the hand will come down and this is the sleeves. So this hand is like this. Okay. And from here now this is the thumb. Okay, so you want me to show the flag. I will show the flag again. Okay. Okay. So shoulder I have shown. So I will show the hand also. So this is the thumb and this is the another hand. So this is one hand, this is another hand. Okay. Like this. And the legs are easy. So you can just draw the legs like this and it's like a V. Okay. So this is the boots he's wearing and so legs are quite simple. Okay. So these are the legs. So how to make the flag? I'm showing it again. Please look carefully. So I made two straight lines around till the top of the paper. So make two straight line and join them from the top and then make a flag like this. So it will first come down and go up and then come down. So similarly, it will come down and go up and come down because there is lot of wind and the flag is flowing with the wind. Okay, so that's why the shape is like this. So this is down and up. So 4 lines total, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in the center we can make the circle and a dot and make the as many lines as you want. Okay, so this is how you have to make the flag. Okay, so hope everybody has understood how to make the soldier. Just now I have told you how to make the soldier. Just now I have shown you the drawing. So you have to draw the face first. Face is like a U and then make 2 lines and then make the hat of the soldier and then like this, it's a triangle and then from here make the sleeves come down and come here. Okay, then make a rectangle like this and make another soldier and now then come down for the hand and join this line. Then this is the belt line. From here make 2 lines and make a opposite V in the downward direction. Okay, legs of the soldier. Yes, I am drawing. Yeah. So now I will draw the legs of the soldier here. So this is the legs. Okay. And from here we will make a V like this. So it's an opposite V. Okay. And this is the crease of the cloth. Okay. And he's wearing the boots. So this boots will come here. And now I'll make the collar. So this is the collar. Okay. And then just a straight line for the shirt and the pockets. So this is the pocket. And so pocket is just make a rectangle and make a V like this. And now make the gun of the soldier like this and like this, and it is coming from the behind the So this is the hand. Okay, so eyes we can directly make after the coloring. Okay, so I'm not making the eyes right now. So let's erase the extra lines which are coming in the body of the soldier. Okay, so now I'm just going to outline the drawing with the DVD marker. So don't use sketch pen for the outlining. Try to use the DVD marker because that is permanent. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to outline the base of the flag. Like this. Can I use the sketch pen instead? I don't have DVD marker. See, if you want to use the sketch pen, then do the outlining at the last. So you can use the outlining with the black pencil color at the last. Okay. Because generally if you see the sketch pen will spread. Okay, so the outlining is done. So I'm erasing the pencil mark after the outlining. I forgot to outline the shoulder, so I'll just do it. You can just make the eyes. This. Smile. Eyes of the army man. Done, ma'am. Can we do shading? Yes, yes, we will do shading. So you can use pencil color, sketch pen, or oil pastel. That is your choice. So I am going to use oil pastel. So you guys are super fast. Some of you have already done it. So just wait for me. Okay. So the outlining is done now. So our drawing is ready. Let's move on to the coloring. So you can take out sky blue and cerulean blue and scarlet, not scarlet, germanium and yellow and green. So this is the leaf green, which is dark green. So you can take out this and orange and white. Okay. And brown, light brown and dark brown. Okay, so we'll see what next. So till now, you can just take out these colors and gray as well. And the sap green color. So these are the colors we need to take out: red, yellow, orange, green, dark green, and leaf green. And this sap green, light blue, dark blue, light brown, dark brown, gray, and white. Okay. So I'm just waiting for 5 minutes. So you guys complete your drawing and take out all these colors if you're planning to use oil pastels. You can see the colors in the screen, right? I have kept the colors here. So orange, yellow, red, dark green, sap green, light blue, dark blue, light brown, dark brown, gray, and white. What is this supposed to be? Okay, so I'm waiting. Yes, I'm waiting. Please take out your colors and complete your drawing. Okay, so shall we move? Red or germanium? Germanium is good. If you have germanium, use germanium. Otherwise, red is also okay. Okay. Repeat the color again. Okay. So sap green and deep green. Yeah. So deep green and sap green are okay. So you can take any color. So this is sap green and this is olive green. So we need to use this for the dress of the soldier. So you can use anything. Both are okay. Pencil color. No, if you're using oil pastel, then you don't need pencil color. So I just told pencil color for the people who are not who don't have oil pastel. Okay. So that's absolutely fine. Whatever colors you have, use them. Yeah. Smriti, this is okay. Okay. So let's move on to the coloring. Yes, you can use crayons also. Okay. So these are the colors. I'm just keeping it here only so that you can see which colors we are using. So I'm going to do the sky blue color, dark blue color at the bottom of the mountain. So both the mountains, only at the bottom, I'm going to do the, try not to leave any white patches. Just fill in the blue color here. So similarly for the top mountain also, just do the dark blue color at the bottom only. So this is the blue color done for these two mountains. Okay. Okay. So this is done. So now I'll do it for this as well. Okay. So now cerulean blue. Yes, this is cerulean blue, right? So now I'm using the sky blue color. So we need to leave a little bit of white space here. So at the edges, you need to overlap the sky blue color on top of the dark blue. Okay. So just fill the color like this. Just overlap the color at the boundaries. like this. Okay, so similarly here as well. Okay, so the color in the mountain is done. So at the bottom, I'll be using orange color or red color. Okay, and then we can use yellow color or brown is also okay. So this is puff color. Okay, so you can use light brown for the sand. So this is the land where the soldier is standing. Okay, so this much is done. So now I will make the tail of the aeroplanes with the so if your colors are dirty, you can just clean them with the rough cloth like this. Okay. And then just take the orange color and make a wave like this. Okay. So for the another like this. Okay. And the green also just make it like this. Just fill in the color here. So if any of you have attended the arrow show, you will see that they will make a very beautiful pattern. In the air with the colors. And the third one is the gray in the middle. So this is a white actually. So you can just make white. I'll just Yes. Blue color was for what? Blue color was for mountain. Medium yellow or deep yellow for the sand. I have not used yellow for the sand. I have used light brown color for the sand. This one. Okay. Okay. So now just overlap the edges with the white color. So it will provide a beautiful shade. If you want to see the shade, let me zoom in. So you can see the shade very clearly. So just overlap the white color on the edges. Okay, like this. And on the other side as well. Okay, so for the green also, so you need to clean the pastel color before using on top of the another color. So for the green also, just merge it with the white color at the edges. And gray also, just on top of the gray and on the sides, just apply the white oil pastel color. So it will give a very beautiful shade, right? So now we will do the blue color, light blue color in the sky. Okay, so till here you have to do the blue color. So you can just mark a line like this. Okay, till here. So the whole sky you need to do blue. Okay. Why did you stop? Okay. There were few people who wanted to join in, so that's why I was just allowing them to come inside the meeting. So now we just need to fill in the sky. So till here we will fill in the sky. Just be careful that it should not spoil your white color. Okay. So like this we are supposed to do. Okay, so here also you can just make a marking so that it does not spoil your white color like this, and you can continue the coloring in the sky. So let's try to fill the color in the sky quickly so that we can move on to the flag and soldier. So that is the last part. So you can fill it completely, so no white patches. Okay. So carefully do it near the flag. Okay, so this is what we did, and now I'm going to do lemon yellow color here and white color in the middle. So just overlap the white color on the blue and yellow so that it blends automatically. Okay, so I'll be doing yellow color over here as well a little bit. Okay, so yellow here. So till here you can do yellow and little bit of yellow here, and we will blend this with the white. So I will be doing yellow till here. So you can mix little bit of light brown also along with yellow. Okay. And here you can mix the white color along with yellow. So just mix the white color with the blue as well. I forgot to do the brown here under the hand, and a bit of yellow, and here also yellow and white. Okay, so this is done. So now I'm going to fill in the flag with the orange and green color. So this is orange color, you can fill in the flag. So since we are not using any blending technique in the flag, it's a single color. So try to fill it properly. Don't leave any white patches, as we are not going to blend this. So wherever there is a single color, you don't need to blend. You can just try to fill it completely so that there is no white patch. So wherever you have two colors, so you can just blend them. Okay. So I will use blue color in the Ashok Chakra. And then green color in the bottom part of the flag. Okay. So now I will do the brown color in the. So you can fill in the black color as well. So at the last. So just which color you want to fill in this? I think is okay. Okay. So this is done. Now I will use sap green color in the soldier dress. This is the sap green color. Just fill in the dress. So we are almost there. Only the blending part is left. So let's try to finish it up. So in the hand also you can do sap green. And in the hat also. Okay, so you can do skin color in the face and hand and the neck. So both the hands. Okay, so now I'm just filling in the pole of the flag with the permanent marker. Okay, so if you don't have permanent marker, you can just fill it after the blending with the sketch pen. Okay, so this is done. So now the shoes of the soldier and the gun. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to do it. So there is a blue color left between the legs. So we were supposed to do the blue color between the legs as well, and the brown color. Okay, so let's try to finish it off quickly. So we are almost done with the coloring. So I'm going to blend it now. So take a rough cloth. Okay, so just take a rough cloth and start blending from here. Okay, just blend this area and give it a circular shape like this. So, and like this. So you need to blend the white and orange, which we did earlier. Just blend it like this. Okay, so take the long hand. Don't do zigzag motion. So stretch the color till the yellow, so that it looks like that the aeroplanes are taking off from the ground. Okay, so this is done. So now I'm just stretching the green color down so that it blends well with the yellow at the edges like this. Okay, so like this you have to blend the coloring. Okay, so now let's move on to the mountain and blend the dark blue color and light blue color and the white color at the top of it. So it will become like this. Okay, so you can see the difference in the blending and without blending. Okay, so here the both colors are blended properly and here they are not blended. Okay, so now I'm just going to blend the color here. So the dark blue and light blue, and just extend it to the white area a little bit. And the blending is done. Blending is not very tough, it's very easy. Okay, so similarly, so you keep changing the sides of the cloth. Okay, if you will use the same, then the colors will get mixed up and it will spoil your whole drawing. Okay, so this is how you have to blend. So my blending for the mountain is done. So now I'm going to blend the bottom part of the earth. So just bring the red color little bit on top of the brown, and the blending is done here in this area as well, and this area as well. Okay, so the blending for the ground is also done. So let's move on to the background and blend the yellow and brown and white color we have applied here, right? So just stretch the yellow color a little up and bring it close to the blue color like this. Okay, so here as well, just need to blend the color. So don't bring the blue color down to the yellow, because blue is a darker shade. So you have to go from down to up, not from up to down. Okay, so just go from down to up like this. Okay, so the blending is done here. So similarly, you can just repeat the procedure and complete the blending for the sky also. Okay, so you have to do it very neatly. Okay, so now for this area also, I'm just going to blend. Blend, blend, blend. So blending is done. Okay, so little this has come inside, so you can just apply the orange color again here. Okay, and do the correction. Okay, so this is done. So now what else? So now I'm going to do the coloring in the aeroplane like this. So you can use permanent marker for the coloring in the aeroplane. Okay, so this was the drawing for today, for Independence Day. So we are done with the drawing, and I hope everybody has liked today's session. So I could see a little bit of white patches here. So let me just finish it off. Okay, so we are done with the drawing. So little bit this color has come out. So you guys need to be little careful. Okay, so I forgot to make the gun. Okay, but you can, after the drawing is complete, you can do it with the black pencil color. Okay. Brown won't look good. So you can choose any color of your choice. We can, some space yellow. I didn't understand this. Blue not completed. What? So I have told you the procedure. You can complete it. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope you guys have understood and you made it. Okay, good. So, okay, everyone. So today's drawing is complete. So hope you guys have liked the session. You can just blend the green color in the body of the soldier as well. Okay. For the neat finishing. Okay. So we are done. Hope everybody liked the session. And just Yeah, so you guys can show me a drawing if you want to show your drawing.
Ma'am,
Yes. Shravya Sharma. Beautiful, beautiful. Good job. Very good. Arana. Very good. Very good, Arana. Very good. Satish Kumar. What is the name of the child? I don't know. Okay. This is looking beautiful. Okay. Good, good. Good. Shihani, are you showing your drawing? Mohit's iPad. Very good, Mohit. Advika. Very good. Meenakshi, Asha. Navya Garg. Navya. Very good. Mohan. Arana. Athar. Very good, Athar. Very good. Smriti. Very good.
Can I show Vaibhav, ma'am?
Vaibhav. Yes, Vaibhav. Very good, Vaibhav. Good job. Good job. Beautiful, Navya Garg. Navya Garg, very beautiful. I saw your drawing. Tejas, very good. Smriti, very good. Okay. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Hope you like today's session.
Show you.
Yes, Pranchi. Yes, yes. You need to complete.
I love this
Bye.
section.
Bye, everyone. Please upload your drawing on Facebook. I will send the link. Please upload your drawing. Upload your drawing. I will
Can you
send
see my
it on
cat?
Facebook. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Lovely. So you did a gray color and a pink color, orange. Good.
Ma'am,
Very
can you
nice.
see my cat?
I saw your cat. I'm talking to you only, Mohit. Okay, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Tomorrow session at 2:30.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.